Go record. Okay, record. Okay. Hello, 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 everybody. It's Tyree Thomas Jr., the Forex trading blogger, your people helping people person. I'm doing a weekly hit list, the Delorean Forex trading strategy. And right now, I'm blessed to have some team members on. I have Miss Cassandra McCaskill, I have Miss Tracy Epps, and I have Miss Sheba Blades. And I'm doing this weekly hit list. And the purpose of this list is to have trades, have pairs that are ready to be traded during the week. And from this list, I take 2 pairs every day, and I'll trade those pairs according to where they're set up. Now, I'm using the Delorean strategy. The strategy is a part of IM Academy. And if you want to know more about that, there'll be a link in the description where you can get in contact with me and anyone else. And to learn this strategy, you can join our movement. Now, with this strategy, it was created by Mr. Tyrone Foster, who is an educator in IM Academy. And there's 3 steps of this strategy that I use. I use the 3-day cycle to let me know what pair is ready. I use the entry, which is the vector. And I also use the blue wave strategy part that helps me know. So I use 3 steps of the strategy to create this hit list. I also use this hit list to trade binary. I know I'm saying a lot, but it pays well, okay? There are 3 colors that identify what these pairs are able to do this week. When you see the orange, that means it qualified for binary. When you see the green, that means it qualified for binary and Forex. When you see the purple, that means it qualified for Forex only. So I'm going to go ahead and move forward. I'm going to go ahead and get this done. And then from that, for a bonus, I may mark up 2 pairs that are ready to be taken off right away when the market open. I may do that for a bonus. So if you stay on, I may mark that up. And when I do that, I'll remove the EMAs. So it'll be a lot easier to understand. I'm going to trade it without any kind of EMAs. And when you trade without any of these EMAs, which are also tools, when you trade like that, without that, it's called naked trading, meaning you're trading without indicators. And I can do that too. I can trade with indicators or without indicators. We also have software, and I may share that with you too. So right now I'm going to go ahead and move forward. Let me get this down here. So right now I'm going to use a part of the strategy called a blue wave to let me know if this pair is ready. It has to be a certain amount of pips from this red, from this purple. For Forex, it didn't qualify, but on the strategy that God blessed me to create for binary, it stopped at a certain price point, so I know ACAD qualified for binary. So what do? I write down the price point, which is 0.98195, 0.98198, yeah, 98195, and then it was 5 pips. And I look at the 15-minute time frame and the 4-hour time frame. So this is binary. I know it's going to get a star. I'll leave that color there. I look at the 4-hour. Let me do this. So that's a 15-minute. 15-minute. I'm looking at 15 minutes, so it's reset. It's on I can see what level it's on, and right now I can see that it's on the first level. Wow, this pair is just now shifting. Yeah, it's on the first level. When I see that, I'm not going to do the training, but there's information in here. Information in here that lets me know it's on the first level of a buy, and the market moves in 3 levels. So I know this pair is just now moving to a buy, and this is going to be in a buy at least from Monday to Wednesday. This is definitely going to be in a buy. So ACAD is 15 minutes, first level buy. Let me see. First level. Now, not all of these pairs are going to qualify, but I'm going to go through them. So the 4-hour, I can tell right now, hey, 4-hour, yes, this is in a 3rd level sale. So yes, don't understand it just yet, but it's on the 3rd level. So that does confirm about that being on the 1st level buy. 15 minutes is ahead of the 4-hour. So this is definitely right. 4-hour, 3rd level sale. Oh, this is so cool. And it's BTS and too. That's another part. All right, so now I go back to the 15-minute, I go to the next pair. And right now, this is AUD-CHF, I measure it. It does not qualify for binary. Let's see if it qualifies for Forex. Okay, it does qualify for Forex, so I'll write it down, AUD-CHF. And it's 34 pips. And again, this is I'm uploading this to YouTube. If you're watching this on YouTube, you can see what the price points are, and you'll be able to see the whole list when I finish. And you can contact me by clicking on the description link, the link in the description. You can also find me on Facebook as well as any one of the other young ladies on it. So this is 0.68258. And it qualifies for Forex, so I'm going to make that purple. And on the 15-minute time frame, I can see it's on the second level. Second level sale. And again, there's a strategy in the blue called Blue Wave to let me know what level this is on. So I go to 4 hour. Yep, 4 hour first level sale. Now it's third level. So yeah. And then look at that. There we go. Yes, 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 yes. 4 hour. 4 hours third level buy. So it's definitely changing. Let me check something else real quick. I'm not answering the phone. That's a sale. Okay. Now, here we go. AUD Jpy, 15-minute. That doesn't qualify for Forex. That doesn't qualify for binary. So I keep it moving. Let me measure this. It qualifies for binary for Forex, 33 pips. And this is AUD-NZD. And the price point is 107.394. And again, it qualifies for Forex, but not binary. And right now I'm looking at it, it's on the first level sale. Let's see, first level. Not second level sale. Let me double check. Yep. Yep. First level, second level sale. And that means it should be on the first level sale. Haha, yep, first level sale on binary. That's right. I mean on 4 hour. And this lets me know what pair that's really going to be ready. And it's BTS and at that. But I'll keep it moving. Now I'll go to AUD, and this is going to, I change this color to purple so I know what it does. Now AUD-NZD. Wow, I can tell right now it's not going to qualify for either one. Just measure just for, oh, 31 pips. I guess it, did I just finish that? It didn't change over. AUD-USD. Let me see if it does not qualify for binary. Let's see if it qualifies for Forex. Does not qualify for Forex, so I keep it moving. I take that color off. Now I go down to CAD chip. CAD chip is a binary pair. It does not qualify for binary. Let's see if it's going to qualify for Forex. Using the blue wave strategy to let me know. Barely qualify for Forex. So CAD, CHF does not qualify for binary, but it does qualify for Forex. And it's 46 pips. And the price point is 0.69421. and it qualifies for Forex, so it gets purple and is on the first level sale. And that means it should be on the third level. There we go. First level sale. Man, this is a fresh sale, so this pair is really going to be falling. This is just beginning to fall. Wow, man, it's going to be good. So on the first level, on the 4-hour first level sale, it's in sequence when the 4-hour and the 15-minute is in sequence together. That means that pair just started moving in that direction. It's going to have a lot of action. So this week, I know that Aud Jpy is going to be a nice one to take to trade. Okay, so now I go to the next one. Aud Jpy is not a binary pair. It's a Forex pair only. Let's see if it qualifies for Forex. No, it doesn't. When that's 4, I need to go 15-minute. Let me see here. No, it does not qualify for Forex, so I'll move it to the next pair. CAD, CHF. That's a binary pair, and it's a Forex pair. And right now, it does not qualify for binary according to where it stopped. But it does qualify for Forex at 29 pips. So this is CHF JPY. And again, I'm using the Delorean. I'm using 3 steps of the Delorean strategy to let me know what pairs are going to be ready to be traded this week. So there's 117 price point from 141, and it's going to get a check. And so this is the third level. Yes. Third level buy. Actually, second level buy. And the 4 hours should be first level. It's resetting. Where is that? Okay. 4 hours definitely second level. Second level reset is resetting. So that lets me know it's going to pull back and then take off and go up some more. So 4 hours second level reset buy. And because of where price is with the EMAs, I know if it's a buy or sell. So now, and this is going to get a purple because it does not qualify for binary. And I'm halfway through with this list now. So now EA is one of my favorite pairs. It does not qualify for binary. Let's see if it qualifies for Forex. Where's that at? It does not qualify for Forex. So I'll take that off and I keep it moving. Let's see if ECAD qualifies for Forex. Let me take some of this off so it don't be so confusing. That's another strategy that I use. I can trade more than one strategy. So let's see if this is going to qualify. And again, I'm Tyree Thomas Jr., Forex Trading Blog. Oh, it does not qualify. I'm your people helping people person. I can help you learn this strategy and learn how to trade. I'm a member of IM Academy. Normally, I have my co-host, Ms. Judy Robin Gunn. She isn't here today. This does not qualify for binary or Forex, so I'll take that off. Now I'll go to ECHF. ECHF qualifies for binary. Let's see if it's going to qualify for Forex. Let me see. It does not qualify for Forex, but it is 12 pips, and it qualifies for binary. There's a certain price point it has to stop on for me to know if it qualifies for binary, so I can trade this also for binary. 1.07703. And it qualifies for binary, so this gets a star. And let me change this to orange. Now, this is a 15-minute first level sale, and this is fresh. This is really fresh. It's actually a first level reset sale. This is fresh, man. This is fresh. This is EURCHF. First level reset sale. $4 maybe four. Let's see, 4 hour. Man, this is. Wow, this is good. This is not even through. First level sale. 4 hours first level sale. This is going to be an active pair too. Man, this is going to be nice. Now, that is binary. So I leave it like that. I go to the next pair. This is looking to be, the market is going to be extremely busy this week. That's good news. So this Eur Gbp, let's see what did it qualify for binary? No, but it may qualify for Forex. No, it does not qualify for Forex. So I keep it moving. I take that cut off. I go to EJ. EJ looks, it does not qualify for binary according to that price point. Let's see if it qualifies for Forex. And right now, does not qualify for Forex, so I keep it moving. EN is one of the 5 wise men. I can tell you right now, it does not qualify for Forex, but it does qualify for binary, so I'll measure that. 10 pips. So EURNZD. And the price point is 1.69470. And it's binary. And 15-minute is the, wow, this thing is first level sale. It's resetting on the sale. It did not create a higher high, so I'm not supposed to be trading, I'm just supposed to be doing this list. First level sale, reset. No, this is a buy. Let me take that back. It's a buy. It's a buy. It created a higher high, so it's a buy. And looking at the MA, this first level reset buy. There we go. So it may be 4 hour, maybe a sale. There we go. There we go. 4 hour, that's what it's supposed to be. Third level sale. And third level sale on the 4 hour is first level buy on the 15-minute. 15-minute is ahead of the 4 hour. So 4 hour, third level sale. All right, now we go to the next pair. This is not confusing once you put in enough practice to understand the strategy. So EU, did it qualify? It doesn't. EU does not qualify for binary. Let's see if it qualifies for Forex. Measure this. Does not qualify for Forex, so I'll take the cut off and keep it moving. Now GA, let me see. GA, let's see if it qualifies. It does not qualify for binary. Let's see if it qualifies for Forex. Does not qualify for Forex, so I take that pair off and keep it moving. It's not going to be a nice pair to trade. So now I'm on GCAT. Let's see if it qualifies for Forex. It did not qualify for binary. Does not qualify for Forex, so I keep it moving. Let's see if Jpy qualify. Now, just because it doesn't, I can right now, man, this does not qualify. Man, 1 pip. It does not qualify for binary either. Now, I still may be able to trade these on binary this week, but let's see what GJ is going to qualify. I see it right now, and I'm not a fan of GJ. GJ is 43 pips. And this is GBP, JPY. And 141960. Binary. And put a check, orange there. Okay. Now the 15-minute buy, 15-minute first level buy. Should be in a reset sale. I mean reset on the 4-hour. It's on the third level buy. Actually second level, 1, 2. Yeah, it's going to the third level. So third level buy, third level buy, and that's GJ. Let's see. I wasn't supposed to put that on that. I was supposed to put it on here. Okay. GN is one of the 5 wise men. Go down to 15-minute time frame. Ooh, GN is on a reset. Man, GN is going to be awesome this week. So it's resetting. And it's not a binary pair. It didn't quantify, but it's resetting. Let's see what it looks like on the 4-hour. Wow. Okay, GN, even though it does not qualify for Forex, it's going to be a very active pair. It's resetting to take off some more. And just by looking at this, I can tell you GN between Monday and Wednesday, GN is a good pair to get in tomorrow. Between Monday and Wednesday, you're going to be able to get at least 200 pips on GN, according to what I'm seeing. So GN is going to be a very active pair. And it's going to be buying. I see it as a reset, but it's going to be buying. Let me keep it moving. We almost done. Let me straighten this back out. Now GU is resetting. Is first level reset. Buy. Yeah, first level reset buy. Did it qualify for Forex? No. I mean binary, no, but it qualified. Did it qualify for Forex? No. So I had to keep it moving. Even though it looks, oh, it does. 26 pips. This GU. And again, I'm using a Delorean strategy. I'm using 3 steps of the Delorean strategy. I'm using blue wave to help me understand what level is on, so I know when it's going to move and what direction it's going to move and when it's going to turn around. The 3-day cycle lets me know just about what day is going to move and what day is going to turn around. And then I'm also using the entry strategy, the vector, to let me know what pair is ready to be traded according to the setup. So right now, I know this is not going to be, it's going to be Forex, so it's going to get purple. And what is the price point? 1.36724. And it gets a check, and it's first level reset, buy. And the 4-hour. Oh man, this is nice. This pair is going to turn around. You can look for this pair to turn around Wednesday. No, this is going to keep moving. This is going to stay in a buy. So this is on its way to the second level. It hadn't even made 1, 2. It's going to come back and reset. Yeah, this is second level, 4-hour second level. So it's got another level to go. Okay, so now I go to NZD, CAD. It's not a binary pair. It's a Forex pair only. Let's see if it's going to qualify for Forex. Yes, 26 pips. And what is it? 0.91168. So it qualifies, it gets in purple. Okay. And it's on the second level buy. Is actually, yeah, second level buy, NZD CAD. Second level buy. Let me double check that. Yeah. Second buy. 4 hour is. Ooh. It's resetting on the first level. On the buy. Now resetting on second level buy. This is definitely going to be one 4 hour. Reset. Buy. This is definitely going to be something. This pair is definitely going to move in CAD. It's a CAD pair too. So let's see what NZD CHF does. Let me measure this. Okay, it does not qualify for Forex and it's not a binary pair, so I won't try to measure it, even though it's in a movement. It's going to be in a consistent sale. NZD Jpy. Let me take this off. It's not a binary pair, and at the Forex pair, I can tell it's not going to qualify for Forex according to what price point is and what a blue wave strategy says it needs to be, so I keep it moving. Now, NZD, USD is the only pair of the end pairs that's a binary pair. It did not qualify for binary according to where it stopped. I can see it didn't qualify for Forex, so I keep it moving. I take that color off. Now I only have 3 pairs left, and we're almost done with this list. Now, I measure this pair. It qualified for binary according to where price stopped. It's 35 pips for this. USD, CAD. And we have 3 different academies: Forex, binary, and crypto, where a person can learn to trade cryptocurrency, Forex strategy, Forex currency, or either binary trading, which is also HFX trading. Okay, and that is 35 pips. And every day I come on at a certain time and I look and see what 2 pairs are set up to trade. And let me see, that's 35 pips at 127.307. And it qualifies for Forex and binary, so it's going to get a green. This is going to be a very active pair this week. This is going to be a superstar this week. So right now it's on the second level. Yeah, actually first level. Yeah, first level buy on a 15-minute time frame. So it's third level sale. It's getting ready to change. This third level sale, so it means it's going to BTS. Third level sale, so I'll say third level BTS. And for those that understand the strategy, knows what that means. Sale, BTS. It's gonna turn around into a buy. It's going against the trend, and it's very easy to know how to trade this against the trend. So I can trade that because I understand how. So now I go to UCHF. UCHF, right now, it qualifies for binary. Let's see if it qualifies for Forex. Does not qualify for Forex, but I'll let it because it's so close. USD, CHF, I'll say 25 pips. And after this, I have one more pair. Then I'll be done with this. 0.88,497. So the US pairs are going to be very active this week. So this is first level reset sale. Oh, yes. That's second level reset sale. Oh, yes. This pair is going to be in a sale all this week. So US look like it's going to be selling all this week. So yes, oh yes, first level reset sale. Yes, this baby definitely gonna be selling. 4 hour, first level reset sale. Oh man, so my favorite pairs this week is gonna be the US pairs. Anything that's US is gonna be very active. Hey, I'm loving it already. So this is going to get green. Oh man, when they all line up like that, it's definitely going to be nice. It's going to be a very good week to trade. I'm already excited. Yes, I am. Okay, so let me stop clowning and go to USD Jpy. Does it qualify for binary? This is the favorite pair to trade binary for the educators. I can tell you now, it don't qualify for binary. I mean, it qualifies binary 1 pip because of where it stopped, but it doesn't qualify for Forex, so it only gets a star. And it's at 103.705. Man, this thing is wild. It's resetting. This is exciting to me because I know this is definitely going to sell. No, wait a minute. Da, 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 da. Did it create? So it's getting ready to go into a buy. All right. It's resetting. Now this thing resetting to keep selling. I know what this is. This thing is not going to go a third level. So it's resetting to buy. So it's first level reset buy. USD. So all of these US pairs tell me that they're going to be in a buy. They're going to, sometime this week, they're going to go in a buy. So that's a lot of movement. So it's first level reset buy. This is nice. I'm loving this. I can just trade US pairs only this week. Yeah, third level. Oh man, look at that, look at that. 4 hours says a sell, but it's just reset. It's gonna BTS. This is exciting to me. Look at this. Look at that formation there. That's a W. So it's W. The first leg, the second leg did not take out the first leg. So it's definitely, and it crossed. So it's resetting. Man, it's BTS. 4 hour BTS by third level. All right, so this concludes, the binary, the Delorean Forex trading strategy, binary Forex hit list for the week. We have USD, USD Jpy, USD CHF, USD CAD. We have NZD CAD, GBP USD, GBP JPY, EUR NZD, EUR NZD, EUR CHF. We also have CHF JPY, CAD CHF. And we have AUD NZD, AUD CHF, AUD CAD. These pairs are ready to be traded this week. So during the week, look at these pairs, whichever two are set up to move that day. Those are the two you trade. You don't have to trade all of these every day. The reason for this, why this list is created, so you can pick two on this list daily that are ready to be traded. If they were still moving yesterday and they still move today, just stick with those two. You can get 50 pips a day or more using this strategy. Now, I said if you stayed on, I'll do a little bonus. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one of these that's ready to trade now. I'm going to mark it up without the indicators on it. Let me see, daily high, daily low. Let me take that off. Okay, which one? Let me take this indicator off. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to find one that's green. How about I get this one? And I'm going to mark it up on the 15-minute time frame. And I'll show you, take it on the lowest point. That's the lowest point. And you touch it on the next point. See, since it pulled back, I can reevaluate, and I put it right there. So that tells me that this market, it tested it again, and it's testing it again. So that's 3 tests. That tells me this market gonna continue to go up. Now, that's another part of the strategy that I learned from Mr. Curtis Cobain Branch, my mentor. He's also an educator. So low, low, low. So this is what I'll do here. It broke out. They usually mark on the 30-minute up. I'm going to mark it on the 15-minute time frame because I can read it better on the 15-minute time frame. So that will drop it here, came back 786. Okay, this is where I draw from. All right, here we go. Here we go. Mark it here to here. Now, I can tell you this pair is going to keep going. It's going to come back and test this. So I'm going to mark it in two directions. Right now, I'm going to do this like this. I'll just use this one for right now. And this is where I'm marking it from. Here. I'm going to make that yellow. Move this a little bit, make that yellow so I notice what that is. Move this up a little bit. I'm going to put that over there. Well, you can't see what I'm moving the picture out of the way. So that, and then I'll take this one so I'll know what level it's on. Green. And for those, Cassandra and Tracy would understand what I'm doing. Put that there. And then I come here, 786. Make that red. Lock that in. This is so I'll know what direction it's going. Then I come again, put 786. And then I'm gonna do this. So click here. Come on. Want to make that purple. So I got my demand zone. Now, what are you going to do if you want to know if it's going to do a sale? See, right now, I know right now, I'm expecting I can take this off. This is telling me something right now. So now that's down, that's up. It did it pull back, pull back. So I want to find a buy. What's my most recent buy? Here's my most recent buy. So I'm going to do the same thing from my most recent high to most recent low. Hey, there we go. Boom. Okay, so I'm going to do the same thing. Now marked it from there. So I'm just going to say this is where I drew the low. And I'll go to here. Well, I'll move it up to here. Okay, so now I'm gonna do another one. Just basically doing this so you can see where I get this from. And down here, I use green on the demand zone, so I know that's a demand zone, it's a buy area. I use green for the 886. And I can explain this, and it makes it very accurate for me to trade. And it gives me a double edge, and I'm going to show you in a moment when I speak of. Red. It doesn't have to be confusing. This is why you click on the link in the chat, and I'll show you how to use this strategy to trade. Now, here we go. I know this, and I know it may seem confusing, ladies, but it's not, because I know what this means. I know what it means. So don't get confused, just get happy because we understand how to, this is the cheat code on the market to let me know what to do. And this is why I get 50 pips minimum a day. I know how to make sense of all of this good stuff. And right now, I know this is a very volatile area. Let me clean this off. I know right here in this area, this is a very volatile area. It's going to be a area because the buy 50 and the sell 50 matched up in the same zone. So I know this is going to be a very consolidated area. And if I go look anywhere, as you can see, consolidation happened a whole lot in these areas right here. And I can show you what I'm speaking of. I'll just put, so you'll see, I just had this go all the way across. Now, as you can see, consolidation happened all the way across on the 50 sell and the 50 buy, because it tells you right there that's a very active area. That's why I mark it both ways, so I can expect a lot of activity there. And it doesn't matter where I go. Look at that again. So that tells you there's a very promising area. So anytime it gets in that area, I can expect a reaction to the market in either direction. Real quickly before I end this, any one of you ladies you understand or you have a question you can ask real quick? Look at that. Look at that.
Nope, I'm good.
Does it kind of make sense?
It does.
Okay.
Absolutely.
Look at that. Look at that. That is so beautiful. So I know when it gets to these areas here, if I had this all the way across, I know what to expect. Ha! Cheat code. Can we say cheat code?
Cheat code.
All right. So again, this is the ending of it. I'm only going to mark up one pair. I took up a lot of time, but right now the cheat code tells me that the market is going to keep going up because it tested again on that. Can you agree with that, Tracy and Cassandra? You see where the market going to keep going up?
Yeah.
Now watch this. Watch this. Show you even more of a cheat code. What do the EMAs tell you? Does it tell you it's going to keep going up?
Sure
See how
do.
these go? What does it tell you?
Going up.
Uh-huh. Again, cheat code. And as we work together, you'll all be able to understand what this stuff means, and it won't be a problem for you to get 50 pips or more a day. And then when it comes to trading binary, do you know I can do the same thing in binary and know what to do? Yes, I can, and I'll show that later using the strategy. But again, not to confuse and create any more confusion. That ends this recording. And for those of you that are on YouTube, thank you. Ask any questions you need to ask in the YouTube chat for the video. And then also put it in the comment section on YouTube, or look me up in Forex. Again, I'm Tyree Thomas Jr., a Forex trading blogger, your people helping people person. And I always say, motivation is temporary, inspiration is everlasting. And from God to me to you, I'm always saying, be blessed. Bye-bye.
Thanks, Tyree.